Hi, I'm Mark McCraney in Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm here to talk to you about how you can create opportunities and solve problems in your profitable business. Even in a challenging economy like we have now, some business owners are finding ways to be successful. Many of them have found a way to use common sense, affordable solutions to the problems that they have, and by slowly eliminating problems, they make their businesses and organizations much better. 3 of these fairly easy to install solutions are prioritizing written objectives for you and for your team, using motivational compensation to reward behavior and results, and motivating by mutual written expectations between the followers and the leaders. Oftentimes when an organization faces a problem or doesn't reach the level of success that they want to, they start to micromanage the efforts of the people beneath them. They don't realize that in many cases the leaders or the owner don't actually have people organized for success, and they're not compensating them for success. This results in lower results than they would like. There are common sense, affordable ways to get better results out of your people. I'd be glad to help you in Jacksonville, Florida. You may call me at 904-742-4357.